How's it going, everyone? I'm Rachel. Welcome back to my tiny basement soap shop. Today we're going to make a lovely all-natural lavender oats and honey soap. It's one of my best sellers. It has a beautiful blend of lavender, dark patchouli, and tea tree essential oils. And then I add in some blended oats and honey, and of course top it with some lavender buds. But I'm switching up the colors today. Instead of using indigo or mica powders like I've done in the past, I want to try alkanet and acai. I know it's going to be darker, probably almost a brown color, but I just wanted to try it for something different today, and it'll still smell amazing for sure. I think that's everything, so let's go ahead and get started. This is almost purple, like more purple than I was expecting. It's kind of like a purplish gray color. So I'm pretty pleased with how that turned out, and I think it'll stick. And I only wanted to do a gentle wispy hanger swirl with this, but you can do something more aggressive if you like. I will see you in the next video very soon.